In this video, I'm going to talk about SketchUp. In my last videos, I've been talking about AutoCAD, and literally I've tried to explore each and everything that you need to know about AutoCAD, so you can check out my videos on my channel. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to start with a simple introduction about SketchUp. Alright, so let's open up SketchUp and I take you through all what I've prepared for you in this video. So in this introduction, I'm literally going to talk about the different types of commands that will help us model out 3D models in SketchUp. Alright, remember that SketchUp is literally a 3D modeling software. Right, so I'm going to take you through all the commands that you need to model out fancy models in SketchUp. Alright, so I'm going to talk about these commands in a breakdown of a series of videos. Alright, so let's get started. So I'll click at the SketchUp program over here. Then once it opens up, this is the home page for SketchUp. Alright, so first things first, you can see that under create new model, there are a variety of templates. Right, so there is simple, but the units inside it's inches. There is architectural, and the units are millimeters. There is also simple, then architectural, the units are inches. Then there is architectural still, the units are in centimeters. There is also architectural, the units are in meters. So if you want to see more templates that are presented by SketchUp, you simply click at these more templates. Alright, so once you click on it, SketchUp opens up. All the templates are being displayed over here. So the first one is in inches, the second one is in millimeters, then the third one is in meters. Then there is urban planning in feet, then urban planning in meters, then landscape in inches, then landscape in meters, woodworking in inches, woodworking in millimeters, then interior in inches, interior in millimeters, 3D printing in inches, then also the last one, 3D printing in millimeters. So it will depend on which kind of project that you want to do in SketchUp. That will determine the kind of template that you will use. Alright, right now I'm going to use architectural millimeters. Alright, so I'll click on that template, then SketchUp will proceed with opening up the user interface. Alright, this is how it looks like. So I'll close off this. Then next, in this video, I'm going to talk about the different types of tools that you need to model a project in SketchUp. Right, so literally I'm going to start with the line command. So I'll click on it. Before we draw anything over here, you can see that we have the blue axis, we have the green axis, and also the red axis. So if I click at that point, then I stretch out my cursor in this direction, you notice that my line you're seeing over here, when I move it in this direction, it turns green. That means it's parallel to the green axis. But when I move it in this direction, you see that it turns red. That means it's parallel to the red axis. So when I move it up in this direction, you see that it turns to blue. That means it's parallel to the blue axis. Alright, so it will depend on which direction you want to draw your line. Right, but always make sure that it's parallel to one of the axes. Alright, so in this case, I'll draw a line in that direction. Then notice that if I turn my cursor from this direction to this direction, my line turns red. Right, so when I come back to this other side, you notice that the line turns to green. Alright, so over here it snaps at that point. Then I'll just close it off to this point. Alright, so when you close it up, you find that it forms a closed shape, alright, which is a rectangle. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to talk about the different types of patches that you can use in SketchUp. So this is it for this video. If you've really found something helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this kind of content to friends and relatives that you feel like they need of this kind of content. Right, so we meet in the next part of the video.